Eagles by Adele Richardson. Table of contents. Birds of prey. Eagles seem like daredevils as they dive from the sky. But these large birds are masters at hunting. Eagles have good eyesight for spotting animals from far away, and they use their sharp talons to grab and carry their prey. Eagle fact, an eagle's eyesight is 4 times better than a human's. Eagles can see as far away as 1 mile. A talon is a large sharp claw, and prey is an animal hunted by another animal for food. Big birds. Eagles are large birds. They have a wingspan of up to 8 feet, and most eagles weigh between 7 and 12 pounds. The largest eagles weigh as much as 20 pounds. That's a white-bellied eagle. Eagle fact, white-bellied sea eagles eat fish and also sea snakes. A wingspan is the distance between the tips of the bird's wings. Most eagles have black or dark brown feathers, and some eagles have white or golden feathers on their head and shoulders. An African fish eagle. Bald eagle. Hungry eagles. Eagles eat small animals such as rabbits, squirrels, fish, and birds. They also eat large animals such as monkeys and small sheep, and bumps on their feet help them hold slippery fish. They tear the meat with their hooked beaks. Bald eagles are not bald. They have white feathers on their heads, and these large eagles have nearly 7,000 feathers on their bodies. About 60 kinds of eagles live around the world, and the only place eagles don't live is Antarctica. Golden eagles and bald eagles live in the United States. Eagles live in many habitats, and harpy eagles live in rainforest. Bald eagles build their nests in trees near water, and other eagles live in jungles, forests, or deserts. A habitat is the natural place and conditions in which a plant or animal lives, and a rainforest is a thick forest where a great deal of rain falls. Eagles build large nests made of mud, twigs, bark, and leaves, and most eagles build nests at the top of tall trees. Other eagles will build nests on cliffs and mountains. And eagles use the same nest every year. They add new materials each year, and a new nest may be only 1.5 feet deep, but old nests are huge at 6 to 20 feet deep, and they can be 10 feet across. Large eagle nests weigh up to 6,000 pounds. Holy cow. Most eagles mate in early spring, and the female lays 1 to 3 eggs. She stays in the nest to protect the eggs and keep them warm, and the male eagle brings food to the nest to her. Many eagles, including bald eagles, mate for life. They will stay together until one dies. Eaglets. Newly hatched eagles are called eaglets. They are never left alone for long. Parent eagles tear up small pieces of food for the eaglets, and light gray down covers an eaglet's body. Regular feathers grow after 2 to 3 weeks, and it takes 10 to 13 weeks for all the adult feathers to grow. Then the young eagles learn to fly and hunt. The life cycle of an eagle. Newborn eaglets cannot tear up their own food until they're 5 to 7 weeks old. Young eagles stay near the nest until they can hunt and feed themselves, and adult eagles live wild for 10 to 30 years, and some eagles will live up to 50 years in a zoo. Danger. Eagles have very few predators. Now, raccoons, snakes, great horned owls will sometimes eat the eggs and the baby eaglets, but parent eagles fiercely guard their young. Eagles are careful to avoid danger. They stay away from people, and eagles will attack animals and people to defend their young. People sometimes harm eagles. At one time, people hunted and killed some kinds of eagles until they became almost extinct, which means no longer living anywhere in the world. People helping eagles. Well, people work to help eagles survive, and some people treat sick eagles and return them to the wild. People have passed laws against killing eagles, and laws also protect eagle habitats. The bald eagle is a strong flyer and a powerful diver. Bald eagles can fly at speeds of 30 to 35 miles an hour, and when diving for prey, bald eagles can reach speeds of 75 to 99 miles an hour. The strike from an eagle's talon at that speed is stronger than a rifle bullet. A glossary gives you information on words and where to read more.